What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. And today we are doing an unboxing. I have the Marc Jacobs mini tote leather in the color Scorched. Now, I think they did come out with this color last year, but it was called something else. I think it was like Dragon Fire, Dragon something. It was something. But this is not the color I originally chose. Hubby got me this purse for Valentine's Day, and the purse that he purchased was the Tote and Argan Oil. He ordered it February 1st, y'all, and 2 weeks later, nothing. So I called, couldn't get anything. Customer service was horrible. They said it was the warehouse never responded. So what they did was they gave us a 20% off coupon. So the last time I called, I got a very nice lady, and I asked her, like, hey, can you tell me what color is available, since the argan oil is technically not available. That's what you're saying, like, on the reason why it's not shipping, but it's still on the website. But she couldn't tell me that either. She said the best thing to do was just to cancel and repurchase it. So by the time hubby did purchase it, it was $3.95. It had went up $20 because Marc Jacobs had a price increase. But with the 20% off, I think the total was $377. So the original price, I think, was like $424. The $424. I'll put it up here somewhere. It was $4 something. So we basically almost saved. No, I think it was like $4. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna put it up here, but the total was like $377. So being patient, got a better deal, and I got a different color because I haven't seen anybody like put any videos out about this color on TikTok, YouTube, nothing. Like, I've seen them going crazy over the candy pink, and I was gonna go get a pink color, but I need an everyday color, and this color is basically this color can basically be a spring color and a fall color because it looks burnt orange. We'll see how it looks when it comes out the box. But yeah, I'll need an everyday purse, and I'm so tired of big totes. I want something compact because it just be too much. And it's, y'all know, the more you have, like the more room you have in your purse, the more you put in there. I need a stopping point. I don't need no Mary Poppins bag where I can just keep putting stuff in and I'll never get full. So this one, I can't do that. It's gonna tell me stop. Anyway, y'all, I'm talking too much. Let me go ahead and unbox this. I have to record a TikTok video and YouTube, so you're gonna get a shorts and a regular video. Tell me to shut up. I'm gonna shut up.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. When we play our roles wish I knew. I like to be educated.
Alright y'all, so as you can see, I unboxed my Marc Jacobs bag in the color Scorched. And like I said, I love it. I'm glad I got this color instead of the argan wood. So it was worth the wait. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next video.
How much I miss